My name is Jesse. I work here at Festival as our company's Associate Development Senior Facilitator, and been with Festival now for almost 10 years. 2014 is when I joined the team, and I started off as a shift manager at our Green Bay East location, and spent some time doing that before going to the meat department. I found that to be my passion. I loved producing different cuts of meat, working with guests, learning how to cook things and sharing that information. So to me, it was just a ton of fun knowledge, skills that I could learn. And I ended up working my way up through the meat department, multiple positions, and then ended up leading multiple departments throughout the state. The coolest thing about what I do is the fact that when I first started here, I've looked at the 10 years just about that I've been here, and I've had so many people that have invested in me and helped me develop, and I look at who I am from when I first started to who I am now, and that investment that people made in me, I get to now invest in others, and all those lessons, everything I learned along the way, I get to share through stories and experiences and help others hopefully go through that same journey that I've had since I've been here. And that to me is truly the benefit of what I get to do, and that's why this is my favorite role. You have people behind you that are going to help you achieve the things that you want, and that to me is the best. It's a coaching culture. It's not a culture where we just find things that you do wrong. It's how can you be a better individual, and that's what I love about our culture. It's just something that I'm so grateful for. Like I'll say, I'm not a better associate, I'm a better human because of the fact that I work here.